Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for this video is pag-uusapan natin ang isa sa paborito kong toner na this is my maintenance toner whenever for example I use a product for almost a week, and then kapag naubos na or more than a week, then kapag naubos na is bumabalik ako dito, and ito rin muna for the meantime, for the maintenance time ang ginagamit ko, and then gamit ulit ako ng panibagong product. So, ang product na ito is from a famous brand. Nakikita rin ito sa Watsons and any grocery stores or any, oh yes, grocery stores. And this product is a GT from GT Cosmetics, GT Clarifiance. Yes, this is very mild and safe masking sa sensitive skin. I really recommend this because parang tubig lang siya. And then, non-comedogenic rin. It won't cause you any pimple or any other skin problems, no? For me, sa panglalaki, pwedeng-pwede ito because kahit yung skin mo is super oily, wala siya ditong nakalagay na for all skin type. Pero this, for me, I recommend this kahit anong skin type ang meron ka. If you have oily or super dry, this GT Clarifiance Hazel X with which hazel extract is good for you. Isa sa mga gusto ko dito, yung presyo niya, super mura. You can just buy this from 135, minsan from 135 pesos, and minsan mabibili mo siya na pinakamahal siguro is 160, 170 sa ganito na kalaki na 120 ml na, no? So yes, isa sa pinaka paborito kong toner na ginagamit as of the moment. Actually, ginagamit ko na ito. This is, hindi ko na mabilang kung ilang bottle na ang nabili ko nito because I started this when pandemic pa, no? Mga year 2022 yata. Ito na ginagamit ko as maintenance toner. Super mild. Yan ang gusto ko sa kanya. Yung ingredients niya is water, ethyl alcohol. Yes, may alcohol siya, pero hindi mong mararamdaman yung stinging sensation niya sa mukha mo kapag nilagay mo ito. Meron siyang witch hazel extract. Alam mo, ang isa sa mga brands na bumibenta ng may witch hazel extract, isa pa pala yun sa mga gusto ko dito kasi from the price na mura, yung ibang brand is super mahal. Yung isang brand na super sikat din is yung Thayers, yung mabibili rin natin sa Watsons. Yung ganito kaliit yata, no? Hindi ko lang malaman kung anong exact na milliliters niya, no? Pero isa yan sa pinakamahal. Basta maliit lang siya, pero minsan nagre-range from 400 to 700 pesos yung bottle niya. So yun, this is worth talaga yung money mo na mabibili. Super mura and yet super mild on your skin and super effective. Kung anong gusto mo ma-achieve, kung ano yung pinapromise niya is mabibigay niya talaga sa inyo. This is very, very, very thumbs up for me. This is a great product from GT Cosmetics. So, thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, just comment below. And don't forget to follow me on my social media account on Facebook, Carl Hamilton The Store, my personal account. And my page is Carl Hamil The Store. Yun yung sa politika, no? Okay? So, thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.